We are given that f of x is x squared and g of x is x plus 4. We want to find f of g of 3. For f of g of 3, g is done first and then f. So g of 3 is equal to 3 plus 4, which is 7. This then acts as the input for f, so we get f of 7, which is 7 squared, giving us 49. We now have g of f of x. This means that f is done first and then g. So g of f of x is x squared, so this is g of x squared. That means we put x squared into g instead of x, so that means we get x squared plus 4. Note g just takes whatever is input and adds 4 to it. We now have f of 3. So we do f and then we do f again. F of 3 is 3 squared, which is 9. So this is the input the second time. F of 9 is 9 squared, which is 81. We now want to find g of x. So we do g and then g again. So we have g of x. G of x we know is x plus 4, so we're doing g of x plus 4. The function g just takes whatever the input is and adds 4 to it. The input here is x plus 4, so we have x plus 4 and then we just add 4 to it. So the answer here is x plus 8.